Hey y'all, welcome back for another one. If you're new, I'm Cass, and today I'm going to be showing you what I carry in my travel bag. So we go back and forth to Mississippi a lot. I live in Iowa now and I'm from there, and so it's a 14-hour trip. We don't stay over. We're just used to it. But anyway, whatever I can do to make the trip easier, more comfortable or whatever, I've learned to do that after doing it for like 20 something years since we met. And so this is a huge bag. It's a clear pink bag and it's got the embossed on there, if you can see that. And it's really too big for just a tote for every day, but it'll be perfect for what I'm gonna do because and since it's plastic, I can just stick it on the floor in front of me or beside me or whatever and wipe it off if it gets dusty. And I'm gonna also have to take a trip down to the Gulf Coast, which is farther than where I used to live, overnight to help a friend out, and so I'll probably just take a lot of this stuff out and repack it. Anyway, the idea is, so when you're traveling, you know, it's good to have a multi-purpose bag that you can use for more than one thing. And I've got a lot of stuff in here because yeah, with such a long trip, I like to be comfortable. So I just have this puffy heart here on the outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. And I'm kind of tired, y'all, so I apologize if if I sound weird or something. I've been busy packing my daughter for camp and packing us for our vacation, and I'm gonna take a girls trip. Once I get there in Mississippi, I'm gonna go to Tennessee, so we've got a lot going on. Anyway, I like to carry this neck massager, and I keep a dust bag in here to put it in to keep it from getting dirty. I will also carry, like, I'm going to be out shopping and stuff, and this is what I'll carry instead of a purse. And so I found this at TJ Maxx for $10. It's a wristlet, and I just have my anti-bac holder on here. You've seen these before. I found this on another YouTuber's, and I have strawberry pound cake. Anyway, another creator had this little cover case thing here, and I knew I needed one because that's been very handy. I'm not going to go into this. I just have basics in here. I have my Ray-Bans because they're flat. I have my you know, just a couple of credit cards. I have just the basic stuff for when I'm out for a while without having a purse to load me down. So if you want to see what's in here, let me know, and I'll do a separate video on that because this one's going to be pretty long without it. So it might be fun to do a separate one for this if you want to see it. I have this pouch with just a little puff ball and my glittery heart. You can find these on Amazon and Shein. And in here, I just have all my snacks. I have keto snacks, which is mostly nuts, and I have some sugar-free Russell Stover M&Ms. I have some keto bars, some keto chocolate that I get from Costco. There's some pills in here. They needed to be in another pouch. So I've got some keto snack mix. There's nuts. There's these Monk Pack sea salt bars, nut bars. They're really, really good. You get the idea. Just that kind of stuff is what I have in here. There's a keto chocolate bar. There's the Quest birthday cake. So yeah, just sitting there riding all day, I like to have my snacks because I get bored, and that's when I snack. And so, you know, you don't want to get hungry being on the road. Anyway, I like to have the comforts of home. And I have one of my favorite perfumes. This is Candy Love by Escade. And I don't know if I'll take this or not. It's pretty big and pretty heavy, but it's just so cute. I want to take it, but I could save myself some space if I don't. Anyway, this is a very sweet candy vanilla fruity. It's complex, but it's very gourmand and sweet. Just all the fragrances I have are like that. And so I think this might be a limited edition one. If you like the sweet stuff and you don't have this, check that out. And if you want to see a video on all my perfumes and my body mist, let me know, because that would be a fun one too. I have the Pepsi Complete because I need this every day. Since I'm keto, I get a lot of fat, but still sometimes my stomach, you know, I have a hard time digesting all that fat, and so have to have those. This is just my, I might not open this up. The zipper might be stuck. This is just my charging cord, like the screen cleansing wipe. This is the cord for my earbuds. You know, just the DC charger and stuff like that in there. My earbuds need to be in here too, but they're in my small purse right now, so I gotta put those in. This is kind of my makeup and toiletries pouch. I have my little boba on here. She's a little scuffed up, and I tried to clean her, but I can't get her clean. So if you have an idea for what might get those scuffs off of her, let me know, because I just got her. I'm pretty sad that she's already beat up. So this is a Kapari pouch that I got from Ulta. This one's Victoria's Secret. I've had this for a long time. It's held up very well. This one also came from Ulta. That's an Urban Decay. That came with an Ulta Urban Decay free kit, you know, once you spend so much money. In here, I just have the stuff like, I like to make my coffee, put the last minute things in the truck, and just get going. And I take care of doing my skincare and all that when we're on the road. So that makes things easier and quicker for me in the morning. I can sleep as late as possible. So I have some facial cleansing wipes here. These are from Dollar Tree. And some Tears Extra. Always got to have those, especially with allergy eyes. And so I don't like to have the taste of toothpaste when I drink my coffee in the morning. So I drink my coffee and then I brush my teeth. So after I have my coffee, then I use these. And those come from the Dollar Tree. I have a hemp's lotion here with just a little bit in it. It's a fruity one. Makeup remover wipes in case I need that. And there's a couple of tampons just in case. A native deodorant, so I also do that on the road. Very discreetly, of course, you know, just stick it under my shirt. Flossers from Gum brand. Those are from Walmart. My favorite signature scent, this is Angel from Thierry Mugler. Very fresh and very vanilla and complex and oriental and all that stuff all rolled into one. And more native deodorant. The other was Chai Latte, I think, and this one is Peppermint, so it kind of depends on what other fragrance I'm wearing, which one I use. Here's a little travel size of the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion from Clinique. There's a little bit left in there. I need another one. Well, this is all the stuff that I do while I'm riding. And here is just a Kiehl's moisturizing cream. And because I sit there in front of the air vent all day and get pretty dried out, so it's good to have whatever I can have. And here is the Berry Waffle Cone hand cream. That's one of our favorites. This is just a primerizer, so if I want something a little extra besides just moisturizer, I might use the primer. Here's a scrunchie and some eye wash. This pouch holds a lot, as you can tell. This is a Neutrogena Baby sunscreen stick. I like to put this on my arms because after sitting there with the sun shining in on me all day, unfortunately I've got some spots here, some sunspots that I don't like, so I try to prevent having any more. So when you travel a long time, that's always a good idea. And then I can use that on my face when I'm on my other trips if I want to. This is a lip balm that I got from TJ Maxx. I don't remember the brand, but it looks like an EOS inside. And so I thought it went with my other hearts that I have here. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get this open one-handed. There we go. You see, it's a sweet flavor, like most lip balms are. And so I got it for the packaging. That's what got me. Always, I love hearts. Here's another one of the primerizers. Another Wisp toothbrush. Those came from Dollar Tree, in case I didn't say that. Another tampon. This is a rose tonic or rose toner or something. I just splash this on my face sometimes. Hair coiling. This is just some random stuff in here. This is a key to my grandmother's house that I inherited. Some mineral oil for my artificial eye because it gets dry sometimes too. And here is a vitamin glow serum. This is a sample from free stuff with Ulta. Okay, let me get all this put back in here. I might compare some of this down, honestly, but you know, it's fun. And I have all these ideas for what's in my bag videos, so just keep in touch with me and let me know what you would like to see. And oh, here's more flossers that are out. And anyway, okay. Okay, here's a Hello Kitty word search book if I don't want to be on my phone the whole time or my iPad. And here's a magazine that I don't want to uncover my address, that I haven't opened yet. Looks like a Father's Day one or something. So I like to have magazines to read. Here's some Wet Ones wipes. So yeah, these are good to take in, you know, when you stop and go into the bathroom or whatever. If they don't have soap, you need to wash your hands or whatever. And here, I think this little pouch came from Dollar Tree a while back. It's kind of iridescent and pretty. So in here, I just have a little notepad and some pens. I love pens. And so as you can see, these are, like, I've got the purple gel pen, I've got the crystal pen from Dollar Tree, and I've got this pretty one that my mom gave me. And this one, I used to use these as a kid, and I still like having them because if I want to write with a different color, I have it all here. And there's just a cute little notepad in there, a little flowery notepad, just in case. We don't have to write too much for real anymore. And my vaccination card. There's the little notepad. Excuse me, my allergies are driving me nuts, y'all. Okay, and I have a little Hello Kitty tin here. Not sure where this came from, but I think it may have came from Target a while back. It looks like it with that little dot on there. Anyway, in here I have some of my colognes. Once again, I could you know, I could travel with less, so I just got to think about what I really want and go from there. So I used to be subscribed to Scentbird. Now I'm subscribed to Scentbox, and so you can't see the original bottles with these, but this one I just got in yesterday. It's 212 VIP Gold from Carolina Herrera, and it's a really yummy, like, rum passion fruit. Got a little gardenia and vanilla in it. Good summer scent. This is one of my favorites. It's Vanilla Sky from Skylar. Really, like, it's got cappuccino, vanilla. If it's got vanilla in it, I'm gonna be trying it. And I think this is Burberry Brit. Yeah, this one was from Scentbox. This is from Scentbird, sorry. I went to Scentbox because I think they have better fragrances, like the ones that I would be more likely to want to try. And here is a, I don't remember. This is Valentino Donna Born in Roma. I'm not going to take time to get that to focus, but it's a little more floral but still very sweet, so I like that. I have Replica by the Fireplace. I have Armani C Intense. I have Ariana Grande Cloud 2.0. So I like the intense vanilla scents, the ones that are very complex. I get those little sample sizes from Micro Perfumes online. You can get them for just a couple dollars each. And that way I can try it without having to go in the store where I smell everything all at once and can't really get the full idea anyway. And I haven't spent a lot on it if I don't like it. So that's the way I like to try new perfumes out. And here, this came from Target a while back. And here I just have my bracelets and a necklace. I'm not going to take all that out. Just have some Pura Vida bracelets again here, and some from my daughter, and a pretty glittery cuff for church. And so I might put this in another bag because it's pretty heavy. I might just take out one that I want to wear, you know, while we're traveling. I have some more nuts. Salt and vinegar almonds. And this is my drugs pouch or whatever. I have shout wipes. I have some little foldable scissors. There's alcohol swabs. There's aspirin, Pepto, airborne, cough drops, headache medicine. If you have migraines, talk to your doctor about Nurtec. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but Nurtec has worked wonders for me. I take one, put it under my tongue, and within 20 or 30 minutes my headache is gone. And I have the ones where if I don't take care of it right off, it could get bad. So Nurtec is great. Okay, and I have my utensils in here like I always do, because you know, when you're traveling all day and you don't get the utensils you need when you go through a drive-through, it takes a lot of time just to get back off the interstate or whatever, or go back through the drive-through and get something, or go back in the restaurant and get it. So I'd rather just have it with me and grab my own if I'm missing something. This is just a cute little kiss lock thing that I found from Dollar Tree a couple days ago. So I have some of my rings in here so I can keep track of them. This is a jade ring that my husband gave me for part of my Christmas. I asked for that one. And I have some earrings in here. I won't show you those. I need to get my dad to untangle them. He's good at that kind of stuff. And it's just a little pinky ring that my husband had made for me. And, you know, like, this one wasn't but $10 on Walmart's website. I watched it for a while. It was originally like $75, and then it went on sale, and I grabbed it. It's like a simulated opal. I don't know if you can see all the colors in there or not, but I love opals. And I liked that it was dark, too. Oh, here's the other earring right here. Okay, and this is my birthstone ring. My parents got me a long time ago. I still wear that a lot. This goes on a necklace that I have. I'll put that there for now. About done, y'all. It went quicker than I thought it would. Oh, we are done. There's nothing left in here. That is it. Okay, well, thanks for sticking with me. And as you can see, I got a lot in there, but we need a lot, you know, when we're traveling 14 hours. So I like to have everything we might want or need, and there's nothing scarier than having a sick child or a child on the road that needs something. So I've learned to be very prepared and have everything we might possibly need. Anyway, thanks for sticking with me if you watched to the end, and keep in touch with me. Thanks to my new subscribers. And I love hearing from you. I like talking with you and getting to know you. So keep up the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.